Let's make Cadbury Champurado. 3/4 cup Malagkit sticky rice, washed and soaked for 2 hours or overnight. 2 1/4 cup water. Bring to a boil for around 8 to 10 minutes on high heat with continuous stirring. Add chocolate bars, and in this recipe we are using Cadbury chocolate dairy milk.
Bubbly.
3 to 4 bars or according to desired chocolate intensity. You may turn off the heat already to prevent burning the chocolate. Stir, mix, combine very well. Mango on nata. Tara now, follow for the next part. Part 2. Dessert.
So delicious.
Thanks for watching. Follow for more.